Hello guys, we are all here because we are fighting for Letabo. It was last week, right?
Yeah.
Yes, last week a learner died coming back from school. So us as all learners, we are here to seek for questions. We want to know what really happened to Letabo. There's no way a learner can go to school, I ride and come back. As if the child is dead. So we really said we want to find answers. So Kafela Rona, we are here at the police station to ask questions. Yeah.
Thina as abafundi sisaba nokuya esikolweni and wesiphathi nama-matric azosaba ukuphuma late due to le nto kaLethabo. Amanye ama-matric aphuma late 5 o'clock to 6, so bazosaba nokuphuma esikoleni ukuze baye ezindlini late.
Yes, skolo sitaka, like we go to school 7 o'clock, they want us at school. Then 5 o'clock siyaphuma and already it will be dark outside. So we're no longer safe. We don't feel safe around Tembisa, like kuningi guys. And again, me as a grade 12 learner, as a girl, I'm scared like what's going to happen to me tomorrow. We are being told that guys, why are you striking? We are girls. Anything can happen to us anytime. So Moki to stand up for Letabo. We are saying justice must be served for Letabo. Yeah.
Sanibonani babukeli okhulumayo umfundi. Lana sizile eThembisa kaBasuthu usizo besithe sizoliqela asilitholanga. First thing amaphoyisa awasinakanga asinake mawase eza ukuthi sifonele iThembisa online. So into abashela yona ukuthi they want us to come individually what and indaba yabo le abayikhulumayo ayihlangani because umntana abantu ushone kabuhlungu la emkhathini akunamuntu okhulumayo ukuthi kuyenzakalani and kuphume istatement ukuthi amavukela. So manje nathi esabantwana besikolo asisekho safe because labantu abayenze lento le abanye singena nabo isikolo but siyasaba ukuthi sibakhiphe because sisaba isafety yabo. Nathi sicela abazali ukuthi bakhulume nabantwana babo because yibo abayenza umonakali esikoleni. Ngiyabonga.
Umfundi waseBitumelong lokhulumayo sizile sise police station yaseThembisa and we came here but then we asitholanga ama answers. Sikhulumile namaphoyisa kodwa there is no way forward. They are not taking any actions. We've been here for hours. They are not saying anything to us. They are not taking anything. So Tina, as abantwana besikolo, Tina, we're not safe because lamavukela wakhona labakhuluma akhona esikolweni. So Tina, as abantwana besikolo, we're not safe because nathi sothi siye esikolweni ngamanye amalanga. What if lento lena yenzakala komunye umntana wesinye isikolo izoyenzakalani manje thina sifuna bathathe iaction but then they are not doing that. Bazositshela ukuthi bona abakathola ama victims, there is nothing they are going to say to us. Kanjani we want answers. Thank you.
Ene besicela uku-announce ukuthi le ndaba le amaphoyisa mawangakasiniki iway forward or indaba ebambekayo istrike ngeke sisiyeke siyabonga.
Exactly, we're still going to continue.